All right, shalom, shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to start off by giving all praises, all blessings to Yahweh Bahasham, Yahweh Shai Bahasham, Raha Kwadash. Double honors to the apostles, bishops, and elders. Peace and salutations to the elect, pushing this word in all truth and in sincerity, risking life and livelihood in so doing, especially in these days and times. And shalom to the women and children who watch and who learn. All right. You know what? I'm gonna try that right now. Ouch. Oh man, I heard it. Getting old. Okay, I didn't ask for that.
No. Knee pain can really slow you down. It's
I
super
didn't
common
ask for
though.
that.
To get a better idea of what might be going on, could you tell me a little more about the pain? For example.
All right. All right. There could be a crash. Okay, there could be a crash coming sooner than later. Okay, sooner than later, there could be a crash because lo and behold, this is not good news. Now, I work in, transportation. Okay, and um, you have a lot of truck drivers. You have a lot of rail yard workers who are they're nervous. Tomorrow doesn't look promising. All right, for these people. And here is a bunch of news articles. This is from a day ago. It says ports of LA, Long Beach already seeing 44% drop in docked via vessels. Okay. CNN says the first boats carrying Chinese goods with 145% tariffs are arriving in LA. Shipments are cut in half. This is from 8 hours ago. Expect shortages soon. Expect shortages soon, which this means that the prices on goods are going to skyrocket. Um, the availability of certain things, uh, is you're not going to have it, and if you do get it, the price of it is going to be higher because it's from the U.S. Okay, and which people already can't afford, afford what's going on. All right. Let me go back. This is CNBC says Chinese freight ship traffic. That's 2 weeks ago. All right. So let me go to this article. It says new report says UPS, okay, is working with California-based humanoid robotics firm amid 20,000 layoff. So 20,000 have been laid off from the UPS. All right, and they begin replacing these fired workers with humanoid robotics. Okay, so these robotics have taken over the job and duties of these people's place of employment. Okay, and this is not good news. All right, this is not good news at all. This is totally total uncertainty. All right. Um, I live here in Chicago, and the rail traffic. You know, it's normally a bother. It's normally a nuisance. Okay, because trains would, you'll see trains stopping traffic and going, but now, you know, uh, you hardly ever see a train going through. All right, you hardly ever see a train going through. So it's only going to get worse because there are no goods coming in from China. And so let me go and grab a scripture. This is Zephaniah 1 and 11. It says, Howl, howl, ye inhabitants of Maktesh, for all the merchant people are cut down. All they that bear silver are cut off. Okay? So, uh, pretty much, all of the merchants. So, okay, they're gonna be cut down, man. There's nothing that will be on their shelves. Okay, so um, things could be reversed. Okay, this guy DJ Trump, he could reverse the tariffs, but as they stand, all right, these merchants, okay, they're not going to receive their goods. These little mom and pop shops and stores, um, who rely on supplies, um, whether it be um, tools to fix something. All right, um, they're not going to be able to get them. All right, because they're not coming in. All right, and if, and the stuff that does make it in, all right, uh, you're going to either have to wait to get it, or you're not going to get it at all. Okay, So the scriptures said howl because ultimately, we don't howl. Men don't howl, but ultimately, Esau, okay, he's going to howl. He's going to complain, okay. So, you know, um, it's only 10 minutes. Um, Let me see. Stock market. This is not going to be good news on the stock market. Okay. Um, in the next coming days. All right. It's not going to be good news for the stock market. And you know, when you come here to Chicago, and you go down State Street, hey, there's no stores, no shops, the way that they were in past year. They've opened and they've shut their doors. They have shut their doors. Well, yeah. So, um, hey, things are speeding up, man. I'm not going to see.